just how you want it.
To say the least, but of course this partner compass is a little bit complicated, let me tell you. Key 5 entry, but it has this lock as well, okay? When you walk in, this is your living room area. Your living room goes straight to your balcony area. Now this unit that I'm looking at, I don't really have much of a view, but it got a view. Okay. So this is a view. Pretty open space as far as the kitchen goes. This one does not have the bottom freezer, so it has the ice maker on the outside, and it's a side-by-side refrigerator with your ice maker. Sheesh. Okay. So yeah, just a regular side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. This is the stove. Guess I need to clean that. This one has 4 aisles. And notch, this is Whirlpool. So they have different appliances in these units. I actually like the outlets that they have. Now this one just has a microwave sitting in it. I'm guessing you bring your own microwave because it's not built in. So yeah, but it has the Samsung dishwasher. A little different. So yeah, appliances are just appliances here. This sink isn't as deep, but it's wider than the last one with the same kind of sink, but plenty of outlets, as I've said before, and storage space here. This is, I believe this is also a 1-bedroom. This is your washer and dryer. Okay. I'm just saying, you get what you get with appliances, okay? Go ahead and call it what it is. Okay, so light switches. This is the bathroom. And this, this is the ADA equipped shower. So this is the ADA unit, or accessible unit. I'm sorry, let me be politically correct, I apologize. Has a pretty nice hot sink area. Now this one is a little bit cheaper than the last one. It is one for $2,100. And then this is the bedroom. Now I will say, you lack in your bathroom, but you gain in your bedroom with this one. So it's plenty of bedroom space. Nice large windows with blinds that you can pull down. And then again, built-in shelving. I will say this closet is a bit bigger, but maybe because, well, I don't know if it's bigger, but you have more shelf space in this unit. So yeah, and hanging space. So that is this unit here. And this is, I'm guessing this is another closet area. Yeah, it's just a regular closet area, like a coat closet. But it's very spacious. I will say, I will look up the square footage for this one too. I think she put which units they were, but yeah. So they have a key 5 entry. I decided I'm gonna start talking y'all through these tours versus when I'm doing self-guided. So this is the kitchen. Lots of cabinets, lots of storage space. I like the seamless design. This is the dishwasher. Oh, and they have all Samsung products. So this is the sink, nice deep sink too. The sink where you can pull that down. This stove has about 5 aisles. Nice range. I will look to see if it's gas or electric. I'm gonna assume it's electric. But this is the Samsung microwave. Plenty of plugs, and I do like the black backsplash there. You can go to the living room. I will get the square footage. I will list that on the video of what the square footage of this unit is. So yes, this is the living room. Then you go out to the balcony, which overlooks, we're gonna close, it's cold, it's rainy today. They do have a Nest thermostat. So yeah, I think I checked out the bottom freezer, and they have storage above the refrigerator. And nice tall closet. Everything in here is tall, not wide, so that's something to keep in mind. So this room, for the square footage, it's not bad, but the room overlooks the balcony. And then you open up. Oh shit. My bad, y'all. Then you go into the bathroom. Excuse my hair if y'all see me. And then the walk-in shower. And you do have a door just in case you keep your room doors closed and you want people to use your bathroom. They have that door, of course. So walk-in shower. This is a ADA accessible unit. So not sure what the new one looks like. I'm gonna see if we can look at one. And then they have the closet area, which is really spacious if you work it correctly, combined with your laundry, which I feel is real convenient. You don't have to transfer your clothes all over the apartment. So yeah, and they have built-in shelving. And like I said, Samsung products. So yeah, and this is the first 1-bedroom. That is, yeah, she didn't write the square footage. This one is going for $22.88 currently. But we're gonna go look at another unit. So yeah, so you walk in. This is a 2-bedroom unit. It has an island, plenty of space for bar stools. Lights. So they have 5 ranges here. Again, this, I don't know what kind of appliance this is. It looks like a Samsung. Yeah, it's a Samsung. It's the same one. So it's built like the first unit. Plenty of storage. Nice dishwasher again, Samsung. Very, very deep sink. Plenty of storage. This one does have a bottom freezer. So it's the same as first unit. Now the living room space isn't that big. And this is one of those units that are on the ground floor. Not particularly not my fave. But you guys, it's lots of space here, no type of view. There's a lock if you get a ground floor unit. There's a lock here on it, but I'll leave that at that. Next system. Now this is, like I said, a 2-bedroom. This would be the washer and dryer unit for the 2-bedroom in the middle, kind of. This is the first bedroom space. Okay. This is a nice size closet. So it's open for closet space. And then you walk into your bathroom, which has double vanities, storage, toilet area, and a huge walk-in shower. This is bedroom number 1. Then you walk out and across, because that's like the control room. This is bedroom number 2. They're about the same size. Bedrooms, it's the same thing, but this one only has one side for the closet, which you still have almost the same space. I think the other was just a slight bit bigger. And this bathroom is different, so. Oh, they don't have no lights. Oh. So this one is connected out to the public. And it has the toilet, 1 vanity, and then it has the shower tub combo. So, just depends on your preference. And then you walk back out. So they're set up exactly the same, but I'm a little bit different. So yeah, and that's the wall space. Trying to see, I know a lot of people like to mount their TVs. So this unit is on like the first floor pretty much. So yeah, just be aware of that. But of course they have different floors. I'll see how many floors the entire building has, but we have to go. That is this unit. Let me make sure. Yeah, plugs. Oh, they have a plug on the island. Here, and this is the view from here. So, And I left my umbrella downstairs. Hopefully it's there, but this is so nice. There's like a whole little pool area over here, y'all, but I don't think y'all can see it. And there's like a little eating grill area. The pool says poolside. Oh, it's so pretty over there, but y'all, it's raining. So yeah, this is like the sitting area, I guess. Okay. Yeah, you can like play. Let's go in here and see. This is nice. It has a eating area, relaxation area you can come to. Entertainment space. It's very aesthetically pleasing, as you people like to say nowadays. Lots of entertainment space. They have a kitchen area that you can use. And then, for those of you that like drinks, you walk back. There's the lounge area here. This couch is nice. Game room, locker space, more billiards, more entertainment. And then you can go through here. More kitchen space if you decide to entertain here. Not sure how this space is rented. And you can overlook the pool area as well. Let's see. Is this more space? Maybe we can just go. Oh. This is a sitting area. Okay. This is what your halls are gonna look like. They have water fountains and restrooms and so they have a gym. I think we're gonna come back to that last because there are people currently in there. But they have showers with their gyms, which is a nice add-on. And we're gonna find our next unit.